Good morning, boys and girls, teachers and staff, and welcome to Tuesday, February 11th of 2020. And here are our morning announcements for today. Boys and girls, just to let you know, we do have an early dismissal this week. That is happening this Wednesday at 1:05. We also have no school on Friday for the students. Teachers still have to come. And everybody is off next Monday. So early dismissal Wednesday, no school for students on Friday, and no school for all of us on Monday. Also, boys and girls, just a reminder, we do have our Valentine's Day parties that will be happening this Thursday at 1:30. So if you have your Valentines, make sure you bring them in that day. Mrs. Manali's class will be going on a field trip today, so they will be gone from pretty much 8:15 until about 1:30 today. We do not have any February birthdays to announce for today. We do have a couple happening at the end of the week. And our lunch choices for today would be Beefy Mac and Cheez-Its, chicken sandwich, or Italian sandwich. And today our paws are brought to you by Mrs. Manali's first grade students. All right, boys and girls, it is time for our pause, and today we have students here from Mrs. Manali's fourth grade class to review pause expectations with you.
Don't go on the snow if you don't have the gear. Don't push people. Don't push people in the snow. Hands to self.
Good examples. Thank you, guys. Thank you very much, and at this time, let's please take a moment of silence. Thank you, and I want to send out an apology. Sorry about that, Mrs. Manali's class. I did say fourth grade. I have no idea reason why I said fourth grade. I meant first grade, so I guess I better practice my numbers with you once in a while back in first grade again, so I know the difference between number 1 and 4. But my apologies. At this time, please stand for our Pledge of Allegiance. All right, boys and girls, it is time for our Pledge of Allegiance, so please make sure you're standing with your hand over your heart. I pledge
allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you guys very much, and everyone have a great day today. Make sure that you're doing your best and you're showing your paws. Have a wonderful day.